Hello, my thriving ADHDers. Yes, I am calling you a thriving human being because you are. It might not feel that way, or you feel you're still trying to get there, but to start your journey as an ADHD mompreneur, it's very important to own that identity that you want to be and say, that is you now. And I bet that's why you joined this community, the Thriving ADHD Mompreneurs, because thriving is the identity that you want to own. And let me tell you this, it is possible because I'm a living proof that a thriving ADHD mompreneur is possible because I am a thriving ADHD mompreneur. Let me tell you a little bit about myself because it's very important that you know who you're letting in your circle of trust. And I appreciate you for allowing me to be a part of your network. I'm Catherine Lizardo. I'm a lawyer, a TEDx speaker, an entrepreneur, and mom of two boys, both of whom call me the best mom ever. They're the reason why I can authentically call myself a thriving ADHD mom. I've built two businesses, my law firm and my mission-driven company called ADHD Life Simplified, which is powering this community. That's why this community is bigger than the school platform. It has a bigger purpose. And that purpose is to reframe the global narrative into mental health compassion. And one way I'm doing that is through this community so that I can help moms like you who have ADHD and are building businesses so you can thrive with your life, with your family, and with your purpose. Because for my ADHD brain and my family, when I became an entrepreneur, that was a game changer for all of us. I want you to know something about me because it's very important. I am not an ADHD coach. I'm something different. As I shared openly in my text talk, I have been in therapy once a week for over 20 years since my diagnosis. That's over 1,000 therapy sessions under my belt. That's a lot of deep work. And it's way, way more training that is required for a certified ADHD coach. I'm saying this because it's important for you to know where my knowledge, my expertise, and my real life experience comes from, and the results that I actually have to prove and back what I'm saying to you inside the community so you know where the credibility is coming from. All my resources and knowledge are available for you inside this community. And all you have to do is ask. Ask and you shall receive. It's that simple. Tell me what you want and what you need so I can better support you. That's why I have this 15-minute assessment call available to all of our members for free. If I don't have the answer for you, I can help you find the answer somewhere else outside our community because I don't view anyone as a competition. Everyone is a collaborator for this bigger mission that we have. And you can also find it here real easily by clicking here, which will take you immediately to my calendar invite. I have it everywhere for you so you can see it right away and not miss the opportunity of asking what you want for a change and then getting an answer for a change. Also, our community has a productivity course for you, my simplified ADHD productivity that you can find in the classroom. And then when you click on it, these are the topics that you will find inside the productivity course, and each lesson has bite-sized videos that you can watch. And after you watch it, just click on this button to show me that you've watched the course so that I know how your progress is doing and I can better serve you as well. Now, are you ready to thrive? Say it out loud and write it in the comments below because research shows that those who actually write their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Plus, When they share their progress updates with their friends, that even increases their chances of achieving their goals even further. Don't take my word for it, because the research was done by this wonderful lady, Dr. Gail Matthews, an expert in psychology, and I wanted to celebrate her for that research. That's why I'm showing her here. That's why your comments and posts means more to your ADHD brain than you think. So your 3 action plans after you watch this video are these. First, comment or post, I intend to thrive, just like this or more. Second, book your 15-minute assessment. Third, watch the first video inside our productivity course. Just one, and that's it. But if you have momentum going, then keep on going. But starting with one is always better than none. I can't wait to hear your declaration of thriving inside our community, and I appreciate you.